Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. From creating extra shelf space for condiments and jars to organizing snacks and beverages, this magnetic shelf adheres securely to your fridge's interior walls, providing convenient storage without any installation hassle. In this episode, we'll explore the features, functionality, and benefits of this ingenious shelf, uncovering how it revolutionizes your fridge storage with its magnetic magic. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of the magnetic fridge shelf on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. The 7 Blue Magnetic Fridge Shelf offers a durable and versatile solution for kitchen organization. Crafted from high-quality materials, each shelf can support up to 11 pounds without sliding, ensuring secure storage of kitchen supplies. With 4 seasoning racks, 2 hanging cups, and 4 hooks, it maximizes storage space, accommodating spices, jars, bottles, snacks, and more. This magnetic shelf isn't limited to kitchen use. It can be easily attached to various metal surfaces like refrigerators, microwaves, stoves, barbecue smokers, washers, and dryers, expanding storage options throughout the home. Installation is a breeze with no tools required, and a set of adhesive stickers is provided for non-magnetic surfaces, ensuring versatility. Featuring an elegant hollow-out pattern, the shelf prevents water buildup and is effortless to clean. Simply wipe with a damp cloth to maintain its sleek appearance. Its modern design complements any home decor, adding functionality and style to any space. Number 2. The Storic Magnetic Fridge Shelf offers a robust solution for kitchen organization. With each spice organizer boasting a sturdy load-bearing capacity of up to 8 pounds, thanks to its powerful magnet, it securely attaches to the fridge side without the need for drilling or assembly, ensuring a non-slip grip even with prolonged use. Crafted from high-quality thick metal and treated with anti-rust paint, this spice rack is exceptionally durable and resistant to corrosion. The set includes 2 medium and 2 large racks with 16 hooks, allowing you to conveniently hang various kitchen essentials like bottle openers, knives, oven mitts, and more. This space-saving solution eliminates cluttered countertops by providing a cleaner kitchen table and more operating space. Perfect for the kitchen, laundry room, or any metal household appliances like refrigerators, microwaves, or coffee machines, these magnetic shelves offer versatile organization for spices, drinks, cans, and snacks. Number 3. The Het Me Magnetic Fridge Shelf is a durable and stylish solution for kitchen organization. Crafted from metal coating, it offers both durability and an attractive appearance, elevating the look of any kitchen. Its carefully designed shape allows it to hang elegantly on the side of the fridge, providing a neat and convenient storage space for all your spices and seasonings, while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Installing this magnetic spice organizer is a breeze, requiring no tools or construction. It effortlessly attaches to the side of your refrigerator or any magnetic appliance like a washing machine, coffee machine, or microwave, saving valuable cabinet and counter space in small kitchens. This multifunctional magnetic organizer storage is ideal for various household uses. Whether in the kitchen for pantry organization or storing kitchen essentials, in the laundry room for organizing detergents and supplies, or even in the classroom as magnetic shelves for whiteboards, it offers endless possibilities for organization. With its super strong magnet, capable of holding up to 8 pounds of spice bottles without slipping, it's suitable for a wide range of refrigerator organization and storage needs, making it an ideal choice for any home. Number 4. The Offworld Magnetic Spice Rack Set offers versatile organization with its 2 shelves and 8-hook rack, catering to various storage needs. The practical design includes rounded corners for safety, a 1.77-inch guard rail to prevent item spillage, and a hollow drainage ventilation system for cleanliness. With a widened magnet, these racks boast strong load-bearing capacities, holding up to 11 pounds for the larger shelf, 6.6 pounds for the smaller one, and 4.4 pounds for the 8-hook rack. Installation is a breeze with no tools required, allowing for easy attachment to the side of refrigerators or other iron surfaces. The super magnetic design ensures a secure hold, preventing worries about items falling off. These magnetic shelves are versatile, suitable for use in kitchens, laundry rooms, or any magnetic surface in your home. From holding spices, oils, and utensils to plates, mugs, and towels, These racks provide convenient and space-saving storage solutions, making them a practical addition to any household.
Number 5.
The Kit Hero Magnetic Fridge Shelf offers a comprehensive solution for spice organization, including 4 magnetic shelves, 24 glass spice jars with 2-in-1 lids, 216 spice labels, and 1 steel funnel. This organizer efficiently declutters kitchen spaces, providing a space-saving solution for refrigerators, microwaves, and other appliances. With super strong magnetic shelves capable of holding up to 6.6 pounds each, your spices remain securely in place, aided by the guardrail to prevent jar slippage. The 24 lead-free glass jars, each accommodating 4 ounces of spices, come with versatile 2-in-1 lids featuring sift and pour options for easy seasoning. Additionally, 184 pre-printed spice labels and 32 blank labels allow for personalized organization. Assembly is effortless, as the magnetic rack comes pre-assembled, ready to be set up in your kitchen. The inclusion of a steel funnel simplifies the filling of spice jars, ensuring a mess-free countertop.